What's up gamers, General Tso back with PaddyTV. I know you're thinking I look Chinese, I do not look Irish, and you'd be 100% right. The thing is, right, PaddyTV wants to promote the talk show, so today the only right thing to do for the G2 how to get some rice. And some Chinese food, I suppose. I mean, it's the same thing really, isn't it? First step to this is to actually get your rice. So here is a massive bag of rice. You can see Chinese right in here, so you know it's authentic. So what you do, right, just something like this, right? Scoop up some rice and then put it back in because you just realised you don't know how to do Chinese food. Instead, you have some Chinese food already pre-cooked for you. Yeah. Alright, so not an ideal situation, but what do? You get a bowl, you have a rice structure. If you don't have a rice structure, this won't roll. You open the rice structure, oh look, there's rice. So with your rice spatula, you get your bowl, place it close, scoop back some rice. Yeah, like that I suppose. Ignore that. There's a little bit more rice left. Easy, that's some rice. Just put that back there. Now, how's the fucking jersey, right? There's something, I don't know, with water in it, and just boil it in, it makes it easier to clean, alright? Make sure you turn it off. Now, you might be wondering, what do you do next? Well, you take a spoon. No, not this spoon. You open this. Oh, look, there's fucking Chinese meat in there. I think that's dot. Yeah, that's definitely dot. Alright, you scoop some out. It knows how dry meat looks, obviously, right? This has MSG, so you won't really notice how much you're eating. Is that how MSG works? I have no idea. Basically, right, that's all done. You close that back up. Then, no Chinese meal will be complete without some vegetables. So here is some Chinese spinach. I think that might just be no, that's definitely not no spinach. That's the Chinese spinach. Anyway, you get some spinach. Scoop it up. Right, put that into your bowl. Right, lovely. Close that back up. Now, here's the best friend in your Chinese bread, a microwave. Make sure the fucking microwave is set to match. Then, don't microwave the spoon because that's fucking stupid. And you don't want to blow up your house. For that innocent, you stick this bowl into the microwave, and since that rice was hot from the rice structure, you won't have a cook that long. The rice will do most of the job. So I usually just set it for 1 minute, and that should be enough. Now you won't be wondering, what does a Chinese person do while the rice, not the rice, the fucking dinner is still in the microwave? Well, I'll tell you what they do. Chachi fucking Jan, mate. Chachi fucking Jan. I don't know the lyrics. So after you're done celebrating how good Jackie Chan is, you take your food out of the microwave, and that's dinner served. Now, don't forget, if you're a Chinese teenager, you do not eat with your family, you eat by yourself in front of a computer. Pick up Master John. Do a taste test, just to make sure. Yup, that's definitely MSG.